Maybe your thing is relaxing in a hot tub. Maybe it's sweating in an infrared sauna, or maybe you're hardcore and you swear by cryo and an ice water plunge. These are all great, but even if you biohack to infinity every single day, odds are you're still struggling with a body riddled with aches and pains, crippling anxiety, and maybe even suicidal thoughts that are not your own. I've struggled with this for years. You know what my thing is? Clean, vibrant health that makes you want to stay alive. And if I'd known then what I know now, my mother wouldn't have died at 49 with colon cancer. Almost everything we eat in America is pretty damn toxic. Every social media filter is set to break you down, slowly and systematically. The air that you breathe is filled with VOCs, benzenes, asbestos, mercury, and methane. 1 liter of water has lead, pesticides, and approximately 240,000 plastic particles from 7 types of plastics. Not to mention the high fructose corn syrup food platform we live in that was put in place to cripple our bodies and build big farmers' coffers. So what do we do if we have joint pains, knee pains, hip pains, crippling anxieties, suicidal thoughts that are actually not your own, and a whole host of other problems that will legitimately take hours to outline? The answer is right here. You need to rapidly detoxify your liver and your colon, the 2 organs that have a bigger impact on your mental and your physical health than you could ever imagine. Now, if you're still listening to this, you know this is calling you because you need a change, a drastic change, but either you don't know where to start or you don't have the energy or the drive for the work, and that's okay. But what if I told you in the next 8 days, without changing your diet, you could completely flush your system of cholesterol, liver fluke, bacteria, the viruses, some parasites, and the 700,000 chemicals that's attacking your liver, crippling us every day? And better yet, what if that step-by-step guide only cost you 55 bucks? Might sound crazy, but this is exactly what we do in the Easy Breezy Liver Flush. I'm so confident in this process that if you don't experience a life-changing result, you can request your money and I'll give it right back to you. Click below and join me to raise your energetic vibration and connect with yourself as we drink our coffees and we munch on our omelets, preparing our bodies to easily and swiftly expel the overload of accumulated toxins and sludge that build up in us every single month. I'll see you guys on the inside.